Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can download the Tinder app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store app, and once you open your Play Store, you need to go on the search bar and type in Tinder. So once you type in Tinder, you can get access to the Tinder dating app, where all you need to do is press on the install button. So in matter of seconds, your Tinder app will start to get downloaded on your Android device, and once it is downloaded, it will start to be installed. So after the installation process is completed, you can simply open your Tinder app and you can find it on your home screen as well. So this is how you download the Tinder app on your device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.